Annyeonghaseyo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Rodike, and in today's video will be another vlog here in Seoul. And today's itinerary is to roam around here in Hongdae and go to Han River later and hopefully go to Itaewon at nighttime. So that's the plan. So I'm hoping to really maximize the time that I am here, because lately I realized that I haven't been doing so much because there are stuff that is a bit time consuming, like the way to navigate in the train stations, the subways, ganyan. And yeah, if you're interested to see more of today's video, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. We're going down to the cafe, guys. Looks so cute and inviting. So tignan nga natin kung anong makikita natin dito. Ooh, it's another rolled out here pala. Wow! This cute dessert, guys, for 5,800 Korean won per piece. And they also get other strawberry. What's those? Wow, parang matcha. I am here in the most aesthetic cafe in my trip to Seoul. I'm so happy that I am here. I didn't regret it, and good thing walang katao-tao today because it's a Sunday. But I'll just be getting coffee and a dessert because it's almost lunchtime na din. And yeah, check this out, guys, if you're here and you love to also experience Korean vibes with their cafes. Perfecto. This is a photo card keyring. Wala namang price. Saan ba makikita? Maganda din siya, guys, no? Mga unique stuff lang. Oh, they got also ball pen, flush ball pen, humidifier for 29,900. Look, a Pikachu mini mood lamp for 11,800. And meron namang ganito. Sino yan, guys? Comment down below. Cute! Ang cushion blanket nila, guys. Oh. House slippers. Grabe. Ang cute-cute. Makakailang cute words tayo for this vlog. Ano naman to? Oh, Taforin bag. Ano yan? Yung malalaki. Pero cute version. And then rags lang. Ganun ito sa room. Kano kaya? Oh, 23,000. Pero nasa 1,000 din. Tumblers! Check natin magkano, guys. Ito, gusto ko to. 33,000. To 29,800. Pwede na to. Ito, ang cute. 8,900. Mura na to, guys. Pero paano ko naman yan dadalhin? And they got also measuring tape. Wow, I didn't think that it is a measuring tape. I thought parang siyang handle or something. Parang keychain. Maganda to. Bet ko to. So, less than 500 pesos. And then, ano naman yan? Car air freshener. Ang ganda talaga. Nakaka-good vibes ang smiley face. Look at the ready bag, guys. Oh, ganda. This is unique for 29,500 Korean won, guys, because you can make it as a stand as well, like that. O, diba? Line friends. Sharog malamigan pa, guys. It got a hand warmer and it got a sample here. And if you just touch here, oh my gosh, it's so hot. Wow. Look at their golf set, and never knew there is a ball pouch for it pa pala. And this one is funny. I thought this is an egg, but it's a very cute golf balls. But will you use this? Di ka ba maghinayang kung mawala to? It's so unique, guys. Oh, it's like G-Bets sa Crocs, and you attach it here. Oh, diba? Pwede na ata siya sa bag, because I saw one here. Look, dito. Yan, no? And these are like smaller versions. So, ganyan. Wow! 20,000 Korean won yung ganito, guys. I'm thinking about it. Pero dapat ko ba itong punuin? Or ganito na lang kaya? Like, isahan na lang. Pero mas gusto ko yung parang G-Bets. It's called Stick-On pala, guys. I'll get R. And then we got letter K here. My initials for the phone. Yay! Kamsahamnida! Look, guys. So cute. And we got coupon for tomorrow, rather. Time to explore the streets of Hongdae. Oh, daming stores agad dito, guys. Oh. And then, got more pala dito. Wow. Ang init ngayon. Pero, the wind is really cold. Wow, what a crowd. Daming tao dito pala, guys. Oh. Parang ito yung nakikita ko sa mga K-drama. Ito na pala yun. Tignan nga natin sa likod ko. Wait. Oh, wow. Next time guys, dito na ata ako sa Hongdae magstay. Kasi ang ganda lang dito. At saka ang lively ba? Parang ang lively pala. Lively. Tignan nyo naman. Diba? Parang kada kanto may mga happenings. Pero okay din naman sa Myeongdong guys. Ganyan siya oh. Diba? Libot-libot na taani guys. I am right now here at ABC Mart. And look what I see right away guys. Samba. New designs from New Balance guys. 179 won. Ganda. Meron pang ibang kulay dyan. Ang laki ng Apple Store dito sa Hongdae guys. Grabe. Nice yung pagka-pink niya guys. Kaso lang wala siyang keyboard, folio lang. Kani siya guys, nice day pero malanay, hindi siya init. This one I like kasi parang siyang matte finish. Ang ganda ng color palette sa case nila. Cherry Blossom inspired case guys. Time to eat some chicken.
드디어 카메라가 많이 나왔습니다. 오케이, 빨리 찍어주세요.
Wala akong makita guys. I feel like this part is for night shift. Yung mga vibes nila panggabi, feeling ko madaming tao dito. We are now here in the main streets of Hongdae. That's really popular too as well. And ang dami din dito guys. Grabe. I think you will really need the whole day here. Kasi sa dami ng mga stores. Ang dami din mga photo booths. And I just went to Don't Look Up, which is quite popular too. Tapos wala pa yun sa atin. And ganito yung presyohan pala dito. Oh. 50% off daw. 10,000 Korean won. Ito, nakikita ko to sa iba. 10,000 lang. Ang cute ng store. Aesthetic. I've got the best view here, guys. Look. Can you see it? It's the cherry blossoms already. And we got also the street where we can do people watching from outside. Then here is me. I'm waiting for the order. And we got complimentary. I already have this kind of mindset guys na bahala na kung hindi marami yung napupuntahan ko basta if I go to a certain location, I get to maximize the time and really feel the moment that I am there kaysa yung nagmamadali ako always ba. Here at Gentle Monster flagship store in Korea and we can find it here at Hongdae. This is their collection guys. So, bagay ba guys? Wala akong nose. I like this design better. It's quite on trend for that price, guys. Ang ganda na. Look at the details. This collection is to be restocked, guys. And kita yun naman. Ang ganda. I'm eyeing on this color. Wow, look at the details of it. Namumulaklak ang cherry blossoms dito sa Hongdae, guys. Dito lang naman na part. Ganda ng kanyang bulaklak, guys. Oh, sa kanyang tree. Ganda. Back here in kind of like their main street. And grabe, ang dami na naman tao, guys. Tignan nga natin doon sa likod. Hinay-hinay lang tayo. Let's cross the road, guys. It's like crossing Shibuya crossing. Pero hindi pala. Dito lang sa Hongdae. Next time, guys, I feel like if babalik ako dito, given the chance, I'll stay here in Hongdae because there's so much to explore here and you need a lot of time too. Because ang laki ng parang may attractions or like, hindi naman siya parang tourist spot lang kasi a lot of their locals are also here. But yung mga magagandang puntahan na stores like that and cafes are nandito like malapit lang ba in one place lang. We're here in exit 9 and this is what you're gonna see pagdating mo dito agad sa Hongdae, guys. And I feel like exploring more of this road pero hindi ko nagawa, sayang. We're right now here and we need to go to this station. So parang 12 stops siya, guys, from Hongdae Cunin. From this station, we need to transfer to Violet Line going to Cheon Hall. But I think I'm wrong, guys, because I think it's still far from the park where you can see the Han River. So, oh my gosh, I don't think we can make it on time na daytime pa ba. But we'll see na. Ang maganda din naman yung view daw doon kahit gabi. So we'll just see. Fingers crossed. Made it to Chonghon Station, guys. And ang ganda, parang nasa underground mall ka na. I'm hoping to go to Mall Underground because they sell affordable clothes daw. We'll see. And I'm hoping when I get out here, it's already the Hanggang Park because I saw the sign. And hinihingal ako, guys. Grabe yung staircase papunta dito. I think we are on the right path, guys. Wow, we are like in a mini Netherlands park. The beauty of this place is mesmerizing. It's so beautiful. I didn't expect na ganito din pala dito. Why is it that every park here in Seoul is beautiful? Like, wow. I think we made it, guys. There's a staircase lang pala down here and this is the Hanggang Park already. Yay! Yun na, oh, ang ganda! Baba lang tayo muna, guys, kasi ang haba pa nito. Oh, guys, we are finally here. Ganda. Dito pala yung sinasabi nilang magpipiknik ka, guys, and you just buy noodles from there. Grabe, oh, nasa tabi ka talaga ng river. Wow, ito yung parang foundation ng bridge. There are a lot of people that are bringing mats. Or I heard that you can also rent lang daw here and then you can eat. Ang ganda, no? Tapos ang lamig pa. Thank you, Lord. I made it successfully here na may daylight pa. This is what I saw from afar pala, guys. Oh, nandito lang sila, nag-chill. Ang ganda dito kung magiging cherry blossoms na to lahat. Oh, sayang, di natin naabutan. Pero baka meron pa sa ibang parts. So, hopefully meron tayong makita pa pero gabi na. To go back to Myeongdong na and sa Palaran na naman sa subway, but I think I'll just be taking the same route lang din from kanina. Decided to go to Lotte World Mall na lang, guys, so dito tayo dadaan going to Jamsil. Train is arriving! Bilis lang, guys! Dito na tayo agad sa Pink Line. Successful! Exit 1 lang kayo lumabas and it will lead you here na agad. May Olivia nga dito, oh, sa exit lang dun. At saka walang katao-tao. Perfect! This is it, guys. Lotte World. Here we go. Push natin ang bigat. Margitso ka kakawat diri, guys. Kay bugat kayo. Hindi mo madagan. And yeah, officially inside the mall. Beside the access to Lotte World Tower, they have this part where you will see the Wall of Honor. And wow, they're part of the Guinness World of Record as the tallest double-deck elevator. Wow. What is this? Glass floor, tallest, ah. Ang dami. Fastest double-deck lift elevator. And they're also part of this award. Wow. Greatest Hyundai. This is the tallest building in South Korea pala. So this is where you're gonna get inside. But I think it's better if you go there if daytime, no? At least you get to see the view. Oh, ganyan pala siya, oh. Klaro ba sa camera? Yan. Wow, ang ganda niya, no? Cool, but challenging. Anima Bulgari collaboration. Wow. So, ito pala yung ceiling, guys. Nakakalula. Kaya pala, na-awardan sila, no? And you know what I found here? It is a Casetify store. Never knew that a store of them really exists because I just thought na parang brand lang siya. Pero ngayon lang ako nakakita talaga na may physical store sila, guys. Tignan nyo, oh, wow. Let's check out their menu, guys, if I can afford their food here. Let's see. Up close. 31. Is that 1,000 or $18? And meron pa dito, guys. Look, their shakes, fries, salads. Kala ko nahulog siya. Di pala. From the brand Adder. Lol. Uy, Adders man kayo ka. Ay, sigta nga. Uy, tagdapog ko. Ang goal namin, guys, is libutin lahat or like the whole floor and then go up to the next one after malibot yung isang floor. O, diba? Imagine nyo kung gaano ka patay na patay yung mga toenails na namin ngayon. Still in the first floor, galing tayo sa basement. Dun pala yung cinemas nila. I'm just giving you an overview of the place. Ang aesthetic, ang cool. Mahal kaya yan, no? Hi guys, nandun ako. So grabe yung mga aesthetic stores nila, kaya dapat sa atin ganun din. Kasi grabe, lahat, walang palyar. Lululemon caps, guys, for 1,000 Korean won. And their skirt, I'm surprised. It's a whopping 109,000 Korean won. Ang ganda ng fila nila, guys. Oh, 99,000 Korean won lang ito. Ito nga, ma-check. 99 din. Ganda ng sole. Ang ganda ng collection sa Adidas, guys. 59,000 Korean won nga lang. Ito din, guys. So pink. Ganda. OMG, guys. Nakita ko din yung on shoes. Dami. Ay, parang hindi marami yung collection nila. Ganito yung price nila for this one. Tignan nga natin yung purple. Ooh, 198. In case you'll be following my route or we have the same home address like Myeongdong, we are here right now, Jamsil. You need to transfer to Green Line and then stop at Dongbingmun Station and transfer to Blue Line that will lead you to Myeongdong. 3 stops away lang. Layo pa, guys! Habang lakaran! Quite confused which one should I get, Jin ramen or yung my fried rice na may cheese for dinner.